Hello, young artists. Today, we are going to draw a fantastic Arctic fox. Are you ready?
Yes.
You can add more details, like for texture or shading if you'd like, but you've got the basic Arctic fox drawing down.
Thank you, teacher. I had a great time drawing this shark with your help.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better at drawing Arctic fox and other animals. Drawing is all about practice and patience.